Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Now we want to use Google to open. Hello, sweetie. Good morning. Now let's open Google Grid 4. Today we want to search about Scratch website, like I'm Googling for a website. Site search with Google should be start the search bar, site colons. I should open Google and I write site, 2 colons, scratch.mit.edu. You know that MIT, the one who provides Scratch. Okay, so open Google. In the search bar, type site, S-I-T-E. Okay, and you have to bring the colons. I will show you from the keyboard in grid 2. Colons. How to bring the colons. So use Shift, colons, Scratch. Are you working with me, grid 4? Grid 4, hello. With MIT.edu. Okay. So write this in the search bar in Google. Scratch, colons. Those 2 colons will let Scratch know that I'm looking for the Scratch website. So now Google understand, and then he may offer me help, give me the link to Scratch, and then enter that. And then he got the link as the first page. Okay, so he gave me the website. Now I got the Scratch website. If I click it, I found Scratch 5 questions. And to start, I have, of course, to sign in. I already have account. If you have account, you just sign in with username and password. If you want to join Scratch for the first time, you click Join Scratch. I hope you got me grid 4. Use Google site search to find Scratch website. Now do it grid 4. Let me know in the Telegram if you found it.